Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw this given diagram. So there are two diagrams we have to copy as it is. So first one is parallelogram 100 by 80. So first I will draw that. I will draw inclined line at 45 degree. And I'll draw horizontal line. How much is this? 100. So we'll take 100. And angle is 45. Now this is 80, so I will take 80 and I will cut. Now we need to see this is ABCD, right? Now what we will do, we need to draw this radius 40. So what I will do, I will take 40 in my compass. And I'll keep it on line AB and I will draw it like this. 1 arc, 2 arc. This is to draw parallel line. So I have taken radius 40 and I have cut from line AB. I have cut 2 arcs, you can cut 3 arcs also. Same way again I will take 40 and from line BC I will draw parallel line. So you draw 2 curves and again you draw line. Now wherever it will intersect, from that point we can draw radius 40. See this. So we have done parallel line from AB and BC. Wherever it will cut, from there we can draw radius 40. Now see, I am showing zigzag R40 when I am not drawing it from the center, that arrow. Now we need to draw radius 20, so I will take 20 and again from line AB I will draw 1, 2, 2 arcs. If you want you can cut 3 arcs also. Same way, you have line AD, again you take 20 and from line AD we'll draw parallel line. So I'm cutting it from D and anywhere from line AD. You can take any point. Now again you draw parallel line. Wherever it will cut, that is point. And we don't draw it like this. We have to take radius 20 and then we have to draw cut or arc. See this. From here we'll take radius 20 and we will draw arc. This way it will come. And the remaining part is dark, so we can draw it dark. So I hope you people have understood this sum, how to draw the given figure. Same way, one more diagram is there. This is radius 20. I can show dimension like this, radius 20. This is 40. And this angle is 45. Now next sum. We have a line 80 mm long. We'll draw that line dark. And from point B we'll draw 75 degree. Now how much is this? 90. So this is point C, this is point B, this is point A to B and B to C, and we'll join this. After that, we have to draw this radius 25, right? So it is merging to BC and AC. So I will take 25 and I will draw a parallel line from BC. So see, anywhere I can keep it on line BC, I will draw 1 arc, 2 arc and 3 arc. It's up to you. You can take 2 or 3. Again you draw a line. Same way, again we'll take radius 25, and from AC, line AC, we will draw parallel line. See, anywhere I am keeping it between A and C, any 3 points, and we can draw curve. Now again we will draw parallel line. So wherever these two lines are intersecting, from that point we need to draw radius 25. See, it will be this way. It will be touching two lines like this. Remember that. It won't be that, the other. This is wrong, joining these 2 points. You have to take radius 25 and then you have to draw curve. After that, this radius 22. So we will take 22 and from AB we will draw 22 mm parallel line. Same way, from AC we will draw 22 mm parallel line. See, after drawing 3 times you can draw a line. Here also you draw a curve. (22, 22, 22) and draw a parallel line. So wherever it will intersect, from that point we can draw radius 22. This is wrong. A lot of people, they draw it like this. I'm just showing you. Joining those 2 points are wrong. Always take radius 22 and draw curve. So this is how you will draw the remaining line, and you can do dimensioning. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.